So here's an example of not energy flow through systems, but energy through a cellular level. So we've got solar energy, remember the input for all systems into plants or algae, and they would have chloroplasts in them. So the chloroplasts capture that solar energy, some is released as heat, and that chemical energy, they basically can make carbohydrates, the chloroplast, and and that carbohydrate can go into the mitochondrion. That's another part of a cell. That mitochondrion can make the ATP. That's the stored energy, the chemical energy, which then can be used for work. Chemical work, meaning doing reactions. Transport work, meaning moving substances in and out of the cell. And mechanical work, meaning physical movement of the cell or of the organism, like a cell crawling or swimming or humans walking, things like that. Whereas these molecules, you can see, are cycled within the system back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. So that's a basic idea of energy laws, and energy flow within biological systems.